Welcome back to our channel everybody, and today's video I will teach you guys how you guys can log in into a Credit One account. Alright, so Credit One is a bank, so I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can log in into this bank. Now before I show you the way, just make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. It helps this video reach more people and can help more people out as well. So help us do that, and let's start the video. First thing first, you want to search for Credit One login like this. Once you search for Credit One login, as you guys can see, write this Credit One login and search for it. It's going to give you these options. From over here, click on the first one. Once you do that, it's going to take you to the official website of Credit One Bank. Alright, now until the page loads up, wait. It depends on your internet speed, so don't worry. Once you're over here where it says sign in, under sign in, just enter your username and then enter the password of your account. Now once you do this, just click on secure sign in and you should be able to log in into your Credit One bank account. It's that simple. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit that subscribe button to our channel, and I will be seeing you guys on my future video. Until next time, have a nice day everybody. Bye bye.